My name's Benjamin with NAS Solar Electric. I'm an application engineer, and today we will be looking at the Blendtron Wire Gutter. Blendtron is a recently founded company specializing in gutters for various different solar inverters. The gutter allows us to hide and tuck away all the wires needed to connect the inverter to the system, making a seamless, clean, sleek installation. The two key components here is the trough, which is universal, and then the angle tray that is customizable for the inverter of use. The wire trough comes in various different lengths, 20, 30, and 50 inches. It can be expanded using their custom coupler. They do have various different corner pieces coming soon, allowing us to go around corners. Currently, they offer two different angle trays, one for a MidNite AIO inverter and the Sol-Ark 15K inverter, with various more to come. These angle trays are engineered with precise knockouts to line up with the holes on the bottom of the inverter. They also allow for adequate airflow to keep the inverter cool. The trough comes with various different size front cover pieces and a whole bunch of pre-drilled holes, allowing us to install the angle tray wherever we need to on the trough. The wire trough comes with various different size cover plates, allowing us to fill in and cover any gaps or openings around the angle trays. As you can see, with the cover plates installed, it really looks good. The trough will require knockouts to be cut in the field to accommodate for conduits and battery cables entering or exiting the trough. These can be positioned on the top, on the bottom, or the two sides, allowing us for ease of installation. The wire troughs are in stock, ready to ship. If you have any questions, check out our website or give us a call.